recording.
Alright, we're on 64 right now. And we're going to hit another one of those old 64s. This is right here at Franklin. If you don't know this intersection, you don't know motorcycling. Let me just tell you. I don't want to hurt your feelings. But if you haven't been here, you don't even need a vacation here. If you don't know where I'm at right now, North Carolina is not the place for you. So this road on the left is Wayah Road. So we're on Old Murphy Road, and that's Wayah. You absolutely want to ride Wayah Road. But this Old Murphy Road will take you to Franklin, North Carolina. We're going to go on up to 28. Police lives there, but it's okay. He's not ever going to come after you because he is a deputy sheriff in a different county. We're in Macon County, and he's all the way up here from Georgia. And I'm going to assume that's because Georgia pays a lot better than North Carolina. But this is going to be the boring part of the ride. I don't typically video this area just because it's, I guess it's like Macon's industrial area. There's a school to the left. You know, there's whatever, storage, construction, Dollar General, old folks home, dance studio, glass shop, waste transfer station. People just throw their bags of garbage out by the gate like that's acceptable. This road is curvy. It was better 25 years ago. This road didn't have anything on it. But then the people came, and with people come trailer homes. And traffic. Not in one truck's traffic, but one truck kind of slows down the trip. But anyway, this is the road from Franklin to Wayah Road. So if you're in the area, you got to take Wayah Road. Wayah Road goes all the way across to US 74 in Nantahala, North Carolina. Nantahala is where the rafting is, the Nantahala River. But the road is beautiful. It's got amazing switchbacks, curbs, sweepers, tight stuff, elevation changes. It's about 26 miles if I remember correctly. The pavement is great. When you get to Nantahala Lake, there's a restaurant up at the top. You can watch some of my videos of me going to Lakes End Restaurant Resort. The food is outstanding. And if you go there to eat, ask for Monica. I've known Monica for a few years. Not from the restaurant, I've known her from other places, but ask for Monica to be your server, and don't forget to tip well. So I'm coming into Franklin now. I'm at the far west side of Franklin. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this video down. You don't have to give me a thumbs up on this one, but please don't give me a thumbs down. It's not my fault that this part of Franklin really sucks. But I'll chat at you on the next one. Later.